Ever wondered why some viruses can knock you off your feet while others merely cause a sniffle? Welcome to the fascinating world of respiratory viruses. They're sneaky, they're smart, and they're all around us. Respiratory viruses are tiny infectious agents that primarily affect the respiratory tract. That's the nose, throat, and lungs. They're the culprits behind many common illnesses, from the familiar cold to the more severe influenza, and in recent times, the global pandemic caused by the novel coronavirus. Understanding how these viruses work is like unraveling a mystery. They invade the body through the air we breathe, hitching a ride on microscopic droplets that are expelled when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or even talks. Once inside, they latch onto the cells in our respiratory tract. Using a lock and key mechanism, the virus attaches itself to a specific receptor on the cell surface. This is the first step in a process that allows the virus to enter the cell, take over its machinery, and start producing copies of itself. But it doesn't stop there. These new viruses are then released and go on to invade more cells, repeating the cycle. This is how an infection spreads within the body. One virus can turn into millions in a matter of hours, explaining why we can go from feeling fine to being bedridden so quickly. So, to summarize, respiratory viruses are microscopic invaders that target the cells in our respiratory tract. They enter our bodies through the air we breathe, often in tiny droplets expelled by an infected person. Once inside, they use our cells to make copies of themselves, leading to an infection. In the face of such a clever enemy, how do we stand a chance? The answer lies in understanding these viruses and how they work. Knowledge is power, and it's our best weapon in the fight against respiratory viruses. Remember, these viruses are smart, but we can be smarter. So the next time you feel a sniffle coming on, remember the complex process that's happening inside your body. It might just make you appreciate the marvel that is your immune system a little bit more. The world of respiratory viruses is complex and ever-changing, but with each new discovery, we come a step closer to keeping them at bay. So here's to the scientists, the doctors, the health enthusiasts, and everyone in between who's committed to understanding and combating these microscopic invaders. In the end, it's not just about avoiding the sniffles. It's about understanding our bodies, our health, and the world we live in. It's about being informed, staying safe, and living our best, healthiest lives. Because when it comes to respiratory viruses, knowledge truly is power.